Welcome to another SMC's how-to video. In this basic tutorial we'll show how simple it is to replace or swap the mechanical operators of SMC's VM series valve range. If there is a demand to change the mechanical operator that actuates the valve, firstly ensure the compressed air supply is removed. Here we see the complete valve. The actuator is fixed by two mounting screws accessible from the underside of the bracket. Remove the first screw. Then, from the other side of the valve, access the second screw. Remove the second screw and then the operator actuator. We can now replace the same operator to the mounting bracket. However, we can remove the actuator mounting bracket retained screws. With both screws removed, we expose the basic valve without any actuator. The new type of actuator head can be fixed to the basic valve. Here we see a roller lever can replace the original push button we removed. We simply mount the new operator to the basic valve using mounting screws provided. As easy as that. Instead of a push button, the VM valve can now be operated by roller actuation. Check out SMC's other how-to videos to see how easy it is to work with SMC's range.